First.
All right, we got to get the intake manifolds on and sealed up, and then get all the bolts and everything back in. Then we'll go ahead and put it back, start putting the heads back on the truck, put the studs in, and then it's just like a puzzle from there. Just put all the little pieces back together.
Perfect.
Get this whole beast back on the road. Yeah, the bolt just snapped off in there, which I've never had happen before, but they said it's happened all the time.
Oh, they took it out already. We just gotta find another bolt.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
It's a little stuck.
Also got some kryptonite upper control arms and tie rods on here, so that'll be cool. High-level professional shit. That's one thing, you don't want to be a bitch with the RTV.
Until it all gets sucked into the engine.
Yeah, that's fine. You know when it smells like that, it's gonna stick good.
Yeah, I'll probably go down to the tap it down with my finger. Make sure it gets in the cracks. Studs into the block, hand tight only. Notice Loctite might be used, but permanent mounting of the studs is preferred. The fastener. This side up. Just like that. That side is up.
Damn, dude, we're halfway done.
Gosh, man. Only a couple more hours, Garrett.
I'm gonna just put a giant hole right in that coolant passage immediately.
There we go.
This is the one you drop into the intake. Give you a spare.
Whoever's missing a washer in their ARP kit, I think we got it. So we got one extra, which is not normal.
That one. And drop down. That one. Up. No. Up. 13.
Hang on.
Uh-oh.
See how much threads are sticking out
Oh, yeah?
compared to all the rest?
That's weird.
We might back that one off real quick.
Yeah.
Bad a minute here. 12. And then over here.
Yep, that's, yep. 13. And up.
That looks better. Muchos better.
Muchos. No. Up and down one. And up. And up.
Come on, beach. There we go.
There we go. We've got heads, Fred.
Heads are on. Getting the rockers back on.
Yeah.
Make sure they're all even. And we'll get the valves adjusted and get the covers back on it. And this thing's ready to go.
All the hard parts done at least.
Yeah. The pain in the butt part's done.
The rest of it's just bolting on cool powder coated pieces.
All the cool stuff.
Alright, Mr. Corbin.
We are pretty much all back together as far as heads are on, they're torqued. Went through, adjusted our valve lash and checked them. It was pretty much everything was all set. There's a couple of them that were a little loose that we tightened up. Get these valve covers back on, then start stabbing injectors, and we're cooking. Lots of stuff taken apart. So, and it has also been 3 months since we tore it apart. So good thing that we labeled everything and put it in bags.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're golden. You know?
Immaculate labeling on your part.
Immaculate labeling, and this is why you label things. Because you don't ever know what life will throw at you. Sometimes it throws a big fucking ball at you.
Putting valve covers together. Sorry.
Mr. Noah Rose has joined us today.
Hello.
What's the good word?
Can I use bad words, or is this YouTube?
You can say one bad word.
Fuck.
Valve covers are on, uppers and lowers. All we got to do now is put some injectors in and start bolting all the bullshit on.
We're gonna go get drunk and eat wings now. So
Sounds a very productive day.
Yep.
You're staying in my bed tonight.
Ooh.
I'm scared. Time to tuck it in.
You should be scared.
Time to tuck in the engine. Good night, engine. Yeah. Oh, this thing's crazy. Here we are.
We're driving this van home.
1979
Little side project.
Chevy van.
I hope it's full of wasps. That would be really cool. Oh, this thing's nice, dude. This is way better than I thought it would be. Yeah, so we're gonna rip this van home.
We'll see how it goes.
It's bitchin'. It's a bitchin' van.
Alright. Just got her jumped.
Started right up.
Look what I got.
Oh.
That's a stink bug, buddy.
No, it's not.
I guarantee you that's a stink bug.
No, it's not. It's a big old beetle.
You're not riding in this van if you get all stinky.
It's just a beetle.
It's a stink bug, brother.
Get you.
Look it up on your phone.
So take a picture of it.
I promise you. If that's a stink bug, you're driving the van home. Glug glug, you piece of shit.
Is that straight entry?
That's not Dex cool, dude. Was it a stink bug?
Fuck off.
Alright. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. Am I gonna make it? I think I'm gonna make it. Oh no. Van! No! Stop. Oh yeah, here. This is a good place to stop.
Hello. No drive.
No van, no drive.
No van, no drive.
We just gotta jump the battery again.
Yeah, no.
Oh, did you tell him?
I figured.
Okay. Oh yeah, she's good. We'll do something with that. Or it does not work.
You're kidding.
That's unfortunate. Oh, she rips!
How are the brakes?
I don't know what gear I'm in. Am I in neutral? Hang on. Yeah. Nope, that's a gear. Okay, we're good.
Alright.
I don't know how the brakes are. Let's find out later. I don't know
Okay.
where
app real quick.
I don't know how to turn off the windshield wipers.
What did you press to turn them on?
I don't know. I think they just happened.
Okay. Dealing with some heavy rains at the moment.
Fuck, can't see a thing, man. She handles like a Ferrari, man. I'm gonna try to do it with the windshield wipers.
That's fine. It's better to have them than not have them.
Should I turn it off?
I don't know.
I'll turn it off. Oh, it's dieseling!
I don't know. How what?
The van is doing awesome! Look, no hands! It is dark now. Oh, we're turning on. I guess we're turning. Whoa! Go, van!
With this bitch.
I don't know. It kind of died there.
Burn down the van.
She's getting a little warm sitting in traffic here.
Facebook is like one of the 3 minutes long.
Van is home. Van is home. Van is home.
Van.
Damn. Van. My hands are sticky from the van. You want to smell?
Is sticky from the van. Your van's just. You don't like it?
No, it's terrible. It sucks. I love it.